How to change the film in your Instax Mini 70. You get one film out of these packages, get it out, and you have the cartridge itself. Do not touch. Turn off the camera, open the door, remove the old cartridge, put in the new cartridge. Make sure this label stays next to the on-off button. Close it. The first picture you do is possible to do only after you turn it on and make one blank photography that removes the rear cover. It sets up and your camera says 10 pictures left. Right now you can start shooting.